Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be sharing with you how to do the most effective leave-in conditioning spray to boost your hair growth, retain length, and also prevent all the scalp infections. So if you're interested in this video, please I would advise you kindly watch to the end so you will not miss out any of my steps. And please, if you're a new subscriber, I thank you so much and I believe you will enjoy your stay, so you join this amazing family. So let's get right into this video. The very first ingredient I'll be using for this DIY is our dry Amla seed. Amla seed contains calcium, which promotes healthy hair. It helps to strengthen the hair follicles and reduces hair thinning, and also prevents premature graying of the hair. So the next ingredient I'll be going in is the hibiscus leaves. Hibiscus strengthens the hair roots and enhances blood circulation to your hair follicles, stimulating new hair growth. And the next now will be our fenugreek seed. We all know fenugreek has an amazing property which helps to promote hair growth and other scalp infections. And the last but not the least is the rosemary, and we all know rosemary has an anti-inflammatory benefit that helps to nourish your hair follicles and also promote hair growth. So these are basically the ingredients I'll be using for this DIY, and I will still list them up in the description box. To start off this whole process, you need to make sure your water is set to boil, and now I'm just going in with my dry Amla seeds. You may just want to add in like 3 tablespoons of Amla seeds to that boiling water. And now I'm adding in my hibiscus. You just want to add a little of that hibiscus because you don't really want so much of the red color. And next you want to add in your fenugreek seeds, and I went in with just a tablespoon of fenugreek seed. And the last now is our rosemary, dry rosemary leaves, which I just added, and I added a tablespoon of that. When you're done, you just have to stir that up and let it boil for about 10 minutes. So when it's boiling, you just have to keep stirring just like I'm doing in the video, and after this 10 minutes you just have to turn off your stove and keep it aside to cool. This is how it looks like after it has been set to cool, and we'll just go ahead and do the next process. My spray bottle is set. You can also use an applicator bottle to ease the application process. And the last ingredient, you may want to add in your essential oils. You can add in rosemary essential oils, tea tree essential oil, but I always love to add in my DIY hair growth oil, which will be in my next video. So stay tuned so you will know how I came across this oil. This oil has been doing wonders to my hair. Like, my hair grows rapidly. I love the outcome of this oil, so I always add it in every DIY that I do. So stay tuned to the next video because I'll be doing a tutorial on how I did this oil. So after you put that in your spray bottle, just quickly shake it well, and let's dive right into the application method. And so now I'm ready to spray that to my hair, but you need to spray this leave-in conditioning spray just to the roots, like your scalp. You need to spray just onto your scalp and not the hair. I'm not spraying it to my hair because this is actually a kinky twist that I did on my hair. So this treatment basically helps to keep your hair, like it helps to keep your protective styles for longer period of time. Like for some people, they will keep protective styles for like 1 month and above, you know. So if you have protective styles on that you wish to keep for longer days, then I would advise you do this treatment because it will help to keep your scalp clean without itches and everything. It will just keep your scalp very clean, and you can carry your protective style for as long as you want. So you just go ahead and spray that generously to your scalp and give it a good massage. Just spray it all over your scalp, your edges, and just all over your scalp, like, and give it a good massage. This treatment, trust me, it has been helping me a lot. When I do a protective style that I wish to carry for almost a month, this treatment keeps my scalp clean, and I don't have to worry about smell or kind of itchy scalp and so on. So as you can see, this is how the application method looks like, and this is just how you have to do it. Spray generously to your scalp and give it a good massage. So just keep watching and see how I do it. Like, if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, what are you still waiting for? Smash that red button that says subscribe and turn on that little bell icon so you get notified when next I upload another video. We've actually come to the end of this video, and if you found it useful, do comment down below and tell me how your hair feels like when you try this DIY. Thank you all so much for watching till the end, and see you all again in my next video. Like, love you all. Bye.